you're using a split system air conditioner to either keep you warm or keep you cool, then you're going to want to clean the filters from time to time. Get yourself a stepladder, not a chair, a mask, and probably some gloves too. Now they've got a little handle at the bottom there and they easily slid out of position. Now you can see I'm just using the soft brush attachment on my vacuum cleaner, but you might want to go and clean them in your laundry under some water. Make sure they're dry before you put them back in and just slide them back into place carefully. They feel a bit flimsy. Do it gently. Now I've just gone and washed my hands thoroughly and then given everything a really good vacuum around the area. Now at the end you want to make sure that lid is closed properly, and job well done.